Point three, building your 5 foundational bank accounts. To stop the endless cycle of panic spending, you must physically separate your cash before you have the chance to use it. This separation creates total clarity and absolute control over every single dollar that enters your business. Setting up the Profit First system requires creating a specific infrastructure within your banking environment. It might seem slightly tedious at first, and your local bank teller might look at you like you have gone completely mad. But this physical separation is the absolute bedrock of your future wealth. You must move away from the single chaotic checking account and establish 5 foundational bank accounts. Account number one is the income account. Think of this account as the main serving tray at a buffet. It is not meant for eating, it is only meant for holding the food before it is distributed to the individual plates. Every single dollar of revenue your business generates must flow directly into this income account. Whether it is a massive wire transfer from a corporate client or a $5 cash sale, it all lands here. The most crucial rule of the income account is that you never ever pay bills out of it. It is strictly a holding pen. It gives you a clear, untainted view of exactly how much money is coming into the business before any expenses muddy the waters. Account number two is the profit account. This is the star of the show. In the traditional system, profit is an afterthought. But here, it gets its very own VIP account. A predetermined percentage of all your revenue will be transferred from the income account directly into this profit account. This money is completely off limits for everyday business use. It serves two distinct purposes. First, it builds a massive cash reserve that acts as a financial shock absorber for your business. And second, it provides a recurring cash bonus to reward you, the owner, for taking the risk of running a business. Seeing this account grow month after month provides an incredible psychological boost that validates all your hard work. Account number three is the owner's comp account. Many entrepreneurs confuse profit with their own salary, but they are entirely different concepts. Profit is the reward for owning the business. Owner's comp is the salary you receive for working in the business. Most business owners pay everyone else first, their employees, their vendors, their landlord, and then take whatever pennies are left over to feed their own families. This leads to massive burnout and resentment. The owner's comp account ensures that a specific percentage of revenue is set aside to pay your personal household bills. You are the most important employee in your business, and this account guarantees you are compensated as such. Account number four is the tax account. Nothing strikes fear into the heart of an entrepreneur quite like tax season. Far too many business owners reach the end of the year, discover they owe a massive sum to the government, and have to scramble, take out loans, or drain their personal savings just to pay the tax bill. It is a miserable, stressful experience. The tax account completely eliminates this anxiety. Every time revenue comes in, a percentage is immediately moved into the tax account. When your accountant calls you in April with your tax bill, you simply smile, write the check from this fully funded account, and go back to enjoying your day. The business pays your taxes for you exactly as it should. Account number five is the operating expenses OPEX account. This is the account where all your business bills are paid. Rent, payroll, software, marketing, travel, everything comes out of OPEX. Because you have already extracted your profit, your taxes, and your pay, the amount of money left in this account represents the absolute maximum you are allowed to spend on running your business. This is your small plate. When you look at the OPEX balance, you know, with absolute certainty that this is the only money you have available. If the OPEX account is running low, it is a glaring alarm bell telling you that your business is running too rich and you need to cut costs immediately. To make this system entirely foolproof, Mike Michalowicz highly recommends taking the profit account and the tax account and moving them to a completely different secondary bank. This is a crucial behavioral safeguard. If you keep your profit and tax accounts at the same bank as your OPEX account, you will see them every time you log in to pay bills. When a financial emergency strikes, The temptation to simply click transfer and steal from your profit to cover a business expense will be overwhelming. By moving these two accounts to a different bank, ideally one without a convenient mobile app, you introduce friction. You embrace the concept of out of sight, out of mind. You cannot easily steal from yourself if you cannot easily see the money. This physical barrier protects your wealth from your own moments of weakness. Point 4, discovering your true financial health. And if you have no idea where you are currently standing, taking an honest look at your